Howdy folks, Matt with B&B Automotive Services, here with Tressa from Napa Auto Parts. She's going to be our judge, so to speak, in our drawer for our drawing for our referral program. This is for 3 $100 gift cards to Amazon. So if you didn't get to participate, don't worry, that's coming back. But this is going to end this one. So what we're going to do, I'm mixing these all up. They're all face up, as you can see. I can't see them. So we're going to have her draw the first one. And Ron Wilson will be giving you a call later on to let you know you just won a $100 gift card to Amazon. So there's one. Second one right here, Alex Cates. Alex Cates will be giving you a call as well. And the last one, Morgan Metcalf. So we'll be giving you a call too. You've all won a $100 gift card. Thank you so much for helping us out.
Absolutely.
Appreciate
No
it.
problem.